How to delete conversations in Grok. So Grok is the AI app that you can use for all different types of uses. So go ahead and open up your Grok app, and to get to your conversations or your conversation history, if you're here at the Ask window, go ahead to the two lines at the top left-hand corner, and you're going to come to your own settings page here, but you're going to have your conversations here as a drop-down menu. What you want to do is click and hold a conversation and go ahead and hit delete conversation. It will ask you to confirm. It will be in the recently deleted conversations area for 30 days. So we can go ahead and hit delete. And to go find that conversation, all you have to do is from this window, go to the settings icon at the bottom right-hand corner, and you want to scroll down until you see where it says recently deleted, and you'll be able to find that conversation and restore it if you want to back in your regular conversations. And that's it.